Look up here.
He's
ignoring me.
Hey, look. You gonna do it?
Look.
Wait, hold on, I'm trying to get it.
Push it over. Good job. There you go. And it goes back up. It goes back up.
Not yet. I was gonna go look at it here in a little bit.
Can you do this one? Are you watching her? Are you watching her?
Hey, little buddy. You got a lot of hair.
He just had his first haircut 2 days ago.
Oh boy. That was fun. You know you're dressed, big girl. Hey, you got the ball. Push it back. That's no way.
I'm gonna play with your toy. I'm gonna play with your toy. I'm gonna play with your toy.
Good job.
Boink. Boink.
Are you gonna turn it off? Or are you gonna share it with me? Huh? You gonna show me how it works?
Good job.
Are you gonna show me how it works?
Here. Sit down. There you go.
Well, it's been a little while since you've seen a baby his age.
Oh, that's his.
No, that's hers.
Oh, okay.
She's using his bottle, but it's clean, I promise.
Oh, you just threw it on it.
You like that button, huh?
Yes, he does.
Good job. Push it.
You all done playing with your toy, little man? I swear that thing will talk to you for an hour.
Yeah.
Where you going?
She doesn't like her noisy toys. Except the phone that you got her,
Yeah?
and a giraffe that has buttons on it for different music. She likes it. Just see something puts in her mouth.
Oh, that's okay. They're supposed to. That's how they explore.
Yeah.
She said, whoa, cat. She was going to cry later. She's like, hold on. Where you going? Watching a cat, man. Whoa.
Hey.
Figure out what she should do. You gonna go over there and play, big girl? Hey, come on.
You like that? Jason?
Taylor.
Taylor, where are you going?
She's looking at the picture book. That's Eric's favorite book, too.
Wait, hold on.
You move stuff out of the way before you push through. Taylor does that too. Gotta make sure everything's out of the way.
Oh, what did you find? Did you find one of Shayla's toys?
I got lucky.
Uh-oh.
Hold on.
Eric. Uh-oh. Eric. Hey, sweetie. You want to play with this one?
Here, you can play with your hippo again. You want to play with your hippo?
Is it?
Yes. I haven't been out all day. Probably
But just told me I'm not allowed to see Adrian.
She didn't say why either.
Just because she's hateful. I know why.
Because she's jealous she got another kid and not giving her any
She's
attention.
got another kid too.
Yeah, that's the point.